Hello everyone, welcome to the geography class of standard 10th. The topic that I am going to take today is interpretation of topographical maps part 2 with the following objectives. To go through the identification of topographical map sheets by method 1 and 2, meaning of grid reference and reading the grid reference. That is, we will come to know about locating the 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference of a given place on the topographical maps. Children, on day 1 of our lesson, we shall study about method 1 and method 2 of the identification of the topographical sheets. Children, we already know that the interpretation of topographical maps involves the ability to follow the symbols portrayed in the map, understand the information given in pictorial and written form, and visualize the natural and man-made feature of the original area by interpreting the conventional signs and colors skillfully. Each topographical sheet provides the necessary information in the margin for the user. Children, map is the most important tool of a geographer. The main aim of a geographer is to find out and understand the exact nature of topography, that is landform, shown in a map. The Survey of India has made topographical maps or topo sheets for India and the adjoining countries on different scales. These maps are based on the actual survey of land and their scale is large enough to show the relief, drainage pattern, land use, settlement patterns, means of transport and other details which you have studied in the first part of the video. Now let us study the interpretation of topographical maps through method 1 and method 2. Method 1. The Indian subcontinent comprising India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Burma and adjacent parts of Iran, Afghanistan, Tibet were mapped by Survey of India on the scale of 1 inch to 16 miles up to 1 inch to 1 mile. Whole of India and adjacent countries bounded by latitude 0 to 40 degrees and longitude 60 degree east to 100 degree east was subdivided into sections of 4 by 4 dimensions and numbered from 1 to 37. Thus, 4 by 4 maps are drawn to the scale of 1:1 million and are called as million sheets. Let us study it in detail. For survey purpose, the Survey of India department took a sheet of 10 by 10 and placed India and its adjacent countries between latitudes 0 to 40 degree north, as you can see in this map, and 60 to 100 degree east longitudes. Each grid was numbered from 1 to 137. As you can see, the circles numbered. These are the numbers of the each state given by the Survey of India department along with its adjacent countries. Now let us study its practical application. For survey purpose, the Survey of India department took a 10 by 10 sheet like this. This is the 10 by 10 sheet. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 by 10 sheet. On this sheet, they placed India and its adjacent countries between latitudes 0 degree north to 40 degree north latitudes and 60 degree east to 100 degree east longitudes. Each grid was further subdivided into sections of 4 by 4 dimensions such as 0 degree, then 4 degree north, then further 8 degree, then 12 degree, then 16 degree, then 20 degree, then 24 degree, then 28 degree, then 32 degree, then 36 degree north, and finally 40 degree north latitudes. Similarly, the eastings were also divided into the sections of 4 by 4 dimensions, such as 60 degree east, then 64 degree east, then 68 degree east, then 72 degree east, then 76 degree east, then 80 degree east, then 84 degree east, then 88 degree east, then 92 degree east, then 96 degree east, and finally 100 degree east. In this way, this 10 by 10 sheet was divided into the sections of 4 by 4 dimensions. Each of these grids were numbered from 1 to 137 to include India along with its states, its adjacent countries, leaving the water bodies. Suppose it starts from 28. Then we have 29. Then we have 30. Then we have 31. Leaving the water bodies, coming to landmass, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and so on till n. It is whole of the country is numbered along with its adjacent countries. Now suppose we take 45 and assume that it is the area for Rajasthan, or number 45 indicates the state Rajasthan. Now, between what longitudes and latitudes does Rajasthan lie? Let us see. Rajasthan lies between 72 degree east to 76 degree east longitudes and between 24 degree north to 28 degree north latitudes. Now for studying it further, we will divide it into 4 by 4 sheet into 16 parts and renumber it. Now after dividing it into 16 parts, our sheet will look like this. We already know that Rajasthan lies between 72 degree east to 76 degree east longitudes and 24 degree north to 28 degree north latitudes. So we will divide into 1 by 1 degree sheet now. 72 degree east, 73 degree east, 74 degree east, 75 degree east, and finally 76 degree east. Now latitudes: 24 degree north, 25 degree north, 26 degree north, 27 degree north, and finally 28 degree north latitude. So in this way we have divided Rajasthan into a reduced scale of 1 by 1 degree sheet, which is 1 by 1 degree sheet, which is called as a quarter sheet, And we will number the districts of Rajasthan from A to P. A, P, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So we have reduced Rajasthan into 1 by 1 quarter sheet. In this way, we have reduced our scale of the map to 1:250,000, and we have got number 45D here. 45 stands for Rajasthan and D stands for the district of Rajasthan. Now further we will pick a district of Rajasthan. Suppose D is the major district of Rajasthan. We will choose it for further reducing our scale. Now we know that it lies between 72 degree east to 73 degree east and 24 degree to 25 degree north. So we will further divide our sheet into 16 parts and we will get further division of district D of Rajasthan into 16 parts to a reduced scale. We already know that district D lies between 72 degree east to 73 degree east longitudes and 24 degree north to 25 degree north latitudes. Now we will reduce it further to a scale of 15 by 15 minutes. So 72 degree east, 72 degree 15 minutes, 72 degree 30 minutes east, 72 degree 45 minutes east, and finally 73 degree east or 72 degree 60 minutes east longitudes. Similarly, 24 degree north latitude, 24 degree 15 minutes north latitude, 24 degree 30 minutes north latitude, 24 degree 45 minutes north latitudes, and finally 25 degree north or 24 degree 60 minutes north latitudes. So in this way we have reduced the district D of Rajasthan into 15 by 15 minutes scale, and thus our scale is reduced now finally to 1:50,000. Is known as a quadrant sheet, which is drawn to the scale of 1:50,000, representing the division of the district of Rajasthan further into 15 by 15 minutes scale. Now we will number it from 1 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we will pick up a place of district D. Suppose 7 is an important tourist place of district D of Rajasthan. So we have picked as and numbered it as 7. So we now get it as 45D7, which is the reduced scale of India, first into state, then a state further into district, and district further into a important place of it. Here 45 represents Rajasthan, D represents an important district or town of Rajasthan, and 7 represents further its important tourist place. So in this way we have got a reduced map of 45D7. Now children, at the end of my video, I hope that you have learnt about the identification of the topographical maps through method 1 and method 2. Now your homework is to read your chapter 2, identification of topographical maps, through method 1 and 2, and revise it. Thank you and have a nice day.